Hey everybody, how's it going? So, I've been thinking a lot recently about my YouTube channel, my art, my Instagram page, and kind of where I want things to go, going on in the future. I've kind of decided that I just want to start making some products that people can actually use. And so I've been looking into the world of Etsy shops, and I think I'm gonna open one. So this is my process of making sticker designs for my Etsy shop that I'm gonna open someday in the future. Stickers seemed like a good first kind of product to approach the world of making and artisans and things like that. And so I wanted to make some cute little animal-inspired food item sticker sheets. So I am working on 3 different sheets. This one you're watching right now is a kitty cat themed coffee sticker sheet. And then I have a rabbit ramen sticker sheet. And then the third one I'm going to do a boba inspired one. And so this is my process of making these cute little stickers on Photoshop. And it's a lot of trial and error. I just kind of see what works, see what doesn't work. And then I get into my rhythm and things speed up a little bit later. Anyway, so my first little sticker is this kitty cat cappuccino, or cat puccino if you will. And I thought it was pretty cute. It's inspired by one of those kitty cat foam latte art kind of deals that people make. And so I drew a little sketch and then I just started drawing on top of it in Photoshop. And so here's the process of me drawing some stickers, designing them and whatnot. I do a cat puccino, and then I do a to-go coffee cup, and then I do also a frappuccino. And yeah, I'm trying to make them all puns because that's fun. Anyway, yeah, so here's just my process of making those stickers. And and I have all the designs done, and I'm waiting on my sticker cutting machine, which is, I bought a Cricut, and they're delayed in shipping. So it's gonna be a while before I can actually get these up. I'm thinking I'll probably have the shop done in maybe a month. I want to get it done before Christmas, so I'm gonna try for 3 weeks, but I don't know if that's gonna work, but we're gonna try and see. So since I've been working on these sticker designs, I think I just want to take my art in a different direction. And I think that includes my YouTube channel too. So my YouTube channel has been kind of aimless. I've just been kind of doing whatever I feel like doing. I first started it off doing a lot of art challenges and kind of viral art video trends, trying to get those clicks, trying to get into the YouTube algorithm. And sometimes it worked, sometimes it didn't work, and I have really no clue why that is. But I Google and I learn a lot about this stuff. I'm trying my best. And at the end of the day, I don't really care about views and things like that. I just want to make some content that I'm proud of. And so I've been thinking about my artist identity and branding and things like that recently. And I think it's time for me to rebrand my channel. So that means I'm going to change the channel name, I'm going to change my logo, I'm going to change all sorts of stuff. But I have a lot of ideas, and I think that my channel's really going to benefit from this. It's more unique and cohesive, and I'm just excited for it, and I kind of just, I'm ready for some change. Lily Does Art was a good just kind of name that I came up with because I was I just need something. I just need a name. And so I thought it was kind of silly and just kind of nonchalant. And so I went with that for a while, but I think it's time to remake my artist identity. And so going forward, I'm going to be rebranding the channel. I want to make videos about this process because I think it could be pretty interesting. Maybe not to the average person, but if you do your own YouTube stuff or if you're creative, I think it could be pretty interesting to watch me figure these things out. And if you have any tips about branding, brand identity, and things like that, go ahead and just throw them in the comments. I would really appreciate that. What else? Yeah, so the sticker series, I want to make videos about, you know, the whole process of making stickers, opening the Etsy shop, things like that. And I think that could be pretty cool. I don't know, rather than just doing art for the videos, I'm kind of making videos about the art. That's how I want to approach it now. Rather than forcing, yeah, I kind of was forcing it. Rather than like forcing myself to do stuff, Cooper. Okay, anyway, jeez, dog, no, my audio, dog, no. Okay, I think he's done. Anyway, yeah, so I was kind of just making videos, kind of forcing myself to do videos just to get something out there. And that's not how I want to approach YouTube. I want to approach this process doing things that I want to do and kind of taking you along for the journey of it. And and so yeah, maybe what I'm getting around to saying is that I just feel like I have a clearer idea of where I want my videos and my channel and my art to go. And I'm excited for this new process and this new experience. I know this video is only gonna get like 40 views, but whatever. You know, honestly, I do not care about the views whatsoever. I care about the community, and there are a few of you who comment on every single one of my videos, and I just want to say I appreciate you so much, and you guys really like encourage me to keep making content. Anyway, I'm getting a little bit sappy now. I hope you have a good weekend and a good week, and I have no clue what I'm going to do next week, but I'll have a video up Friday. So, I'll see you then. All right, see you later. Bye.